what would happen if we could open a portal to a parallel universe. Our universe began when a small but very hot singularity exploded in the Big Bang 13.7 billion years ago. But maybe it wasn't the only one to be born then. In physics, space and time fuse into one four-dimensional continuum, space-time. If this space-time is flat and stretches far beyond the limits of our observation, there is a possibility that it holds uncountable disconnected universes. But for all we know, there are a limited number of ways the particles in those other universes can be put together. At some point, the realities will have to start repeating themselves. That means, in theory, our reality is only a small part of what's out there. And someone just like you might be living in a parallel universe similar to our own. And that universe may be as close as a million trillion trillionth of a centimeter away. Although the wall between the universes might be incredibly small, traveling between them won't be easy, but it could be done. All you'd need is an 85 megawatt nuclear reactor capable of firing billions of neutrons on command. That's how a team of physicists working in Tennessee's Oak Ridge Laboratory are trying to open the gates of a mirror universe. Of course, they have to find it first. It all comes from a theory that says, if you beam neutrons at a wall, none should pass through. If some do manage to make it to the other side, it would mean that they've transformed into mirror images of themselves as they went through the wall between the two worlds. How do we even know all that? Well, there's one odd thing about neutrons. In particle beams, on average, they last for 14 minutes and 48 seconds before they decay into protons. But if you place neutrons in a lab bottle, they'll break down 10 seconds faster. It's not something we can explain with physics yet. Neutrons are all the same, and there shouldn't be any 10-second difference in their lifespan, regardless of where they're stored. Could it be possible that the neutron experiments didn't go as expected because physicists accidentally opened a portal to a mirror world? That would be the first evidence that a mirror universe exists right next to our own. A mirror world with mirror atoms. Maybe even a mirror Earth. An entire mirror world, almost totally cut off from ours. Could you meet another version of yourself in that mirror world?